Check out this Phantom wallet, $2.97 million sitting there from launching meme coins. No guessing, no luck, just a system that prints. If you want the full breakdown right now, keep watching. I was tired of chasing coins, buying into hype, only to watch the chart collapse in minutes. That's when I realized the real winners aren't traders. They're launching. Launching meme coins puts you in full control. You create a coin, drop it when the timing is right, and watch buyers come in while you're already at the top. No guessing, no hoping, just strategic execution. And once you do it once, you'll see how repeatable it is. Launching isn't some hidden trick. It's the move seasoned players are already using. Time to stop gambling and start building. Now before we get started, you have to know that this video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please don't copy me, Pump.Fun might seem like the obvious choice, but it's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of coins are flooding in every minute, all fighting for the same tiny bit of attention. Most die within hours, and you have zero control over liquidity. With Create Tokens.io, it's a whole different game. You launch directly on Raydium. The coin gets instantly graduated with no waiting time. And from second one, it's visible and tradable. You own the liquidity, you set the rules, and you control all the supply. If you want your launch to stand out instead of getting buried, this is where you do it. Now when you are ready to launch your meme coin on Create Tokens.io, you've got two clean options. The first option, build a coin from scratch. So go on Twitter and pick a viral narrative. It could be a trending meme, a hot political moment, or anything blowing up online. Then give it a name, a symbol for example, and a quick 128 by 128 logo. Click next, and just like that, your token is ready to move forward. The second option, my personal favorite and the most profitable, the Copy Trending Coins tab. This posts proven winners directly from Pump.Fun. Coins already getting traffic and attention. Click copy and it launches instantly on Raydium with none of the delays. Since you are piggybacking off hype that's already there, you get instant buyers and way more profit potential right from the start. Both methods work, but if you want to make fast flips, the second method is where it's at. Alright, let's stop dragging this out. We're launching a coin right now. Follow along so you can see exactly how fast this can be done. Now, first of all, connect your wallet with Phantom and then refresh the curated list. And we're gonna copy a coin that looks kinda decent. I think I'm gonna copy the I'm gonna copy the Floki with Hat coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago and a $64,000 market cap. So create coin, ignore the warning and continue, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. You just have to be patient. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. This page is super easy. We're just adding liquidity. That's the step that makes your coin live on Raydium so buyers can jump in instantly. Now, for the amount token A, just click 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool so that people can buy and sell your coin. For the token B, this is basically your first buy into your own coin. You are not throwing money away, you're funding your own project. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you'll get it all back when you pull your liquidity out later, so you have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL, and then just create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh. And if you scroll down, boom, the fucking Floki with Hat coin is now live. And as you guys can see, in green, our profits are at $0. But if you click on refresh once again, you guys will see that our profits are at $160, which means people are actually buying our coin. Click on view on Photon to see the chart, and boom, it's live, tradable. People can buy and sell it. Just give it a bit of time for it to load. Come on, yeah, late buys. Now all we have to do from now on is just sit back, watch all the buyers buy in, and then I'm gonna be right back when we cash out profits, so enjoy the fucking show. Okay guys, I'm back. We're at exactly $3,000 in market cap, 1.5k in liquidity, and we're pushing 100 transactions. Now it should be a good time to cash out profits, so come back to the site. Then first of all, click on the refresh button. And now we're up $1.54,000 with a 2.5k market cap. Click on the minus button, do 100%, then click this button, which I can't say on camera. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 9, so click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you print money off launching coins. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, boom! 1.6 bandos straight inside my wallet.